Hi there, students. Suture. A suture, countable noun. Suture, an uncountable noun, or even to suture as a verb. Okay, if you cut yourself and you've got a big open cut, then you're going to need stitches. You're going to need a suture. You're going to need sutures. So to suture is to stitch up, to sew up a cut on a person's body. Now, I think the most common and the most informal word for this is stitches, to have stitches, yeah, to sew up a cut. But a suture, yeah, to suture. So the doctor sutured the cut in the boy's knee. I had 6 sutures in my head because I had fallen over. Okay, so it's a suture. It's a row of stitches. So suture can be the cord or the thread that you use, or each stitch is a suture, or the whole thing is a suture. Okay, so stitches. After you have an operation, maybe a week or 10 days later, the doctors will remove the sutures after the operation. But we can use suture for other things, but these are maybe even less common. In anatomy, the bones of the skull, when a baby is born, the bones they don't join completely, but over time you get a suture where these bones join. So it's where two bones join, particularly those in the skull, a suture. Or for example, in a nut, you'll see a line round the center, which is where it would open as a seed. This is the suture. Yeah, so it's the seam marking the different parts. It's where the two parts join together. Okay, so a suture, yeah, stitches to stitch up a cut, suture, a seam where two things join, and that's effectively it. So formality. I think stitches to me is more British. I think suture to me sounds more American and more formal, but it's perfectly valid. So suture. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. 6.5 in formality, used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing, suture. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, sutura, which is a suture, from suere, to sew, to join together, to tack together. So it's got the idea of joining different things. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Suture.